Example 4.2.3, please make sure you have read this question before continuing with the video. So the large data set is something in A-level maths that we study at some point in the course. It's just, as the name suggests, a really large set of data. In this particular question, the two variables are the daily mean wind speed, measured in knots, and the daily maximum gust, also measured in knots. Part A, describe the correlation between daily mean wind speed and daily maximum gust. So it's the word describe, not interpret. So all we need to do is say what type of correlation we have here. The scatter graph is here on the right. We can see there does seem to be a positive correlation here. So part A, we could say strong positive correlation, or moderately strong. I'm sure that will be accepted as well. In part B, the equation of the regression line for these 15 days is that. Remember, that is the line of best fit. Part B, give an interpretation this time of the value of the gradient of this regression line. Only the gradient. We don't need to interpret the 7.23 as well. Only the gradient, which is 1.82. So first of all, not in context. If W increases by 1, then G will increase by 1.82. Now put that into context. Even though the question didn't say in context, it always has to be in context. So for part B, if the daily mean wind speed increases by 1 knot, then the daily maximum gust is expected to increase by 1.82 knots. Now part C, justify the use of a linear regression line in this instance, or a linear regression model. We could use the word model there instead of line. So why is it suitable to use a line of best fit here rather than a curve of best fit, for example? Well, it comes back to part A. It's because we've got strong correlation. So how do you word that? Well, something like this. The correlation is strong, which suggests a linear relationship between wind speed and gust. Make sure you mention the two variables in the context of this question. Therefore, a linear regression line is suitable, and it comes down to the fact we have strong correlation.